Whether you're a vegan or a carnivore or anything in between, we've all heard of proteins. But what really is a protein? What do they do? And why do we need them? In this video, we'll go over the biological functions of proteins and their structure. Before we get started, if you want to learn more or get more review on more topics, please subscribe so that you can find all my videos. Proteins are composed of long chains of a combination of 20 different amino acids and perform most of the functions in the cell. These range from enzymes to repair, to regulation, to transport, and more. These amino acids consist of an amine group and a carboxyl group, which form the polypeptide backbone, and also a R group, which determines their properties. Each amino acid is chained together by the polypeptide backbone using peptide bonds that form via dehydration synthesis. Proteins function based on the way they are shaped, which come in 4 levels. First, you have your primary structure. This is the linear chain of amino acids that compose the protein, basically the sequence. Then you have your secondary structure. These are the local interactions in the polypeptide backbone that form shapes such as alpha helixes and beta sheets. Then you have your tertiary structure, which is the overall 3D shape of the protein based on the alpha helixes and beta sheets, and also the R group interactions. Lastly, you have your quaternary structure, as it is based on several different protein chains or subunits that are closely packed together. These often have a new unique function based on their new shape. As I've said before, protein functions are dependent on the shape they fold into. The sequence of amino acids and interactions between these R groups are what allow these proteins to fold by attracting and repelling. These interactions include hydrogen bonds, ionic bonds, disulfide linkages, and hydrophobic interactions, and van der Waals forces to form the tertiary structure. Hey, that's it for proteins today. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you reviewed or learned something new. And of course, please subscribe, and it lets you know when I upload something new and helps me a lot.